Say my name.
Say my name, say my name.
Not that name, the other name.
God.
That's me.
Oh my Sydney.
Instead of oh my god.
I kind of like the sound of that actually.
See, I dropped the camera.
Oh no!
I dropped the camera and Zan texted to her zombie lover saying, Sydney dropped the camera.
You dropped the camera on me and you heard.
It was like, I'm sure you probably just watched that on Zan's YouTube, but I'm just making sure you heard it. Arcal.
I said new because
You could do something stupid. No, wait.
Yes, I fed her. Oh!
I just wanted to do that.
Where's the wireless? You're probably sitting on it.
Oh, I'm sitting on the wireless.
It's still working though, so praise you. Praise Markel, I love you.
Ha! Record that!
Recorded the carpet.
I'm bored! Record your button.
He knows what Elfen Lied is!
Yay!
It's my favorite show.